Hi, this is the tutorial of embedded our YouTube video, and it is very quick and fast. Now let's go to our browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any kind of browser like Mozilla, Firefox, Safari, or any kind of browser. But as I use the Chrome, go to your video or any video that you want to embed. Click the share, and this is from 2021 YouTube updated. Now just click the share, and it will pop up, and you will see the embedded. Here, click the embed, and this is the icon of your YouTube video channel or any video into YouTube. Copy this one and paste to your any website that you are using HTML, and paste it and save it, and that's it.